Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app first and you need to click on this icon in the bottom. So now you can find the search icon in the top of all. Tap on that and now you need to enter the name of the person who needs to know if you have been unadded or deleted on Snapchat. After that, you can find that person's account in here and now you need to tap on that person's profile picture. Then if you can see a add button in that person's account, it means he removed you from his friends list on his Snapchat account. If you don't see an add button here, that means you are still in his friends list. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.